stop sign. Is it likely to turn before we get there, or are we going to actually have to stop?
No, we have to wait for him to clear, and he said there was one on the up and one on the down.
It's all very interesting. Amazing. There we are, there's the back of the train coming around that corner. Casey's here in the cab for the other car. Now we've stopped. Apparently it takes a long time to get everything all going at the back, the brakes. Yeah, there we go. We're off. Got the green. We were in there before then, is that right?
Yeah.
And now we've just come out.
Came across over there.
So we were all in that part, but you can't see it because of the mangroves in here. Now we're coming out onto the main lines, which are going to take us south to Te Puke. Where we're going? Te Rapa, not Te Puke, Te Rapa. There's an airplane over there. One day we'll be on that together.
On our way to Australia to hire a motorcycle right across the other side.
No, that would be way too long. Is that a train coming in?
That's the shunt loco. He's pulling the inbound metro north over to
Oh, I see.
replace mainline locomotive's gone,
Yeah, yeah. And the shunt one's
And,
pulling it into the port.
and he's pulling that train over to put it in where we came out of.
Right, and then they'll unload it and blah, 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 blah.
They'll unload it and reload it, and
Yeah.
it'll go again.
Right.
All night, all day, basically.
All night, all day. Oh, so the back of the train's still coming out.
Of course. Yeah.
Wow, of course.
If you,
I mean, I can't see it from
if you
here.
came over here, you can probably see it in the mirror. Can you see it?
Oh, is that ours? Oh, no.
That's us.
Oh, okay.
Coming out. We're way back there. So we're nearly 700 metres long.
Wow.
There's as much involved with what's coming up here as what's going on behind us.
Yeah, of course. So that green light is for you and the red light means...
Top unit means normal speed, the bottom unit means medium speed. While it does give you an indication of where you're going, it actually is telling you how far you need to go.
And this is the new platform, isn't it?
Yeah,
Back
this is
about
the
it.
Oahu station.
Yeah. Oh. So that's the Wiri Depot.
This is platform 9 3/4.
It's just so that people know we're coming, is it?
Yeah.
Why has he put that there?
So let the subby know that it's there to be picked up.
Oh, okay, right.
But that's not a public platform, it's only for the staff.
Should get it right eventually.
We'll make a videographer of you yet, darling.
I'll probably end up with it facing down all the time now. So is that an old line to the left here?
Yeah. There used to be quite a few sidings down there.
Oh, right.
Way back in the day, we'd
Yeah.
go around there and jump.
Wow. Yeah, and then we look, this is the curve, and we can see our train in the mirror. Back of the train. Oh, there's the digger, we just passed that. Oh, now. It's pretty cool. It's quite good to be able to get the feel of how long it is, you know?
That's what she said.
Oh dear.
Oh, she's close.
Wow, isn't she? And so is her dog. I think that they've added a little bit to their property.
I think so, yeah.
Coming up
That's the advantage of rail is steel on steel means less friction.
Right.
Rubber on road, for example.
Yeah.
It's also the disadvantage of it.
Is it
It loses
slippy?
traction quickly.
Yeah. This is Puki, eh? Puki.
Yeah.
Puki.
Now we're going to come out of power, even though we're only doing 48 kilometres an hour,
Yeah.
line speed is 80,
Oh yeah.
and we're going to coast for a long way
Why?
because we're going to eventually come up to the Turkau bank, go down to Turkau.
Yeah.
Back in the day, we would have, you know, if you're not doing 80k, you're not trying to get to 80k. You know?
Yeah. Right.
Keep it line speed all the time.
Yeah.
And stretch braking everywhere.
Yeah.
Downhill, etc. So this method of driving is so much more fuel efficient.
Yeah.
You can combine train handling with this method of driving.
Yeah. Oh.
But we have quite narrow gauge rail,
All right.
whereas most of Australia and all of the US and Canada and England and Europe have standard gauges like 6 foot, something like that. This is 3'6", whatever that is. And
Gauge is how long we go.
to the track.
Oh, okay, right, yeah.
Apparently South Africa's the same as us because it allows tighter curves, so going through mountainous areas,
Right.
it allows for that
Okay.
without having to, you know, narrow tunnels, da-da-da-da-da. So but for high speed, she ain't no good.
Yeah, yeah. Of course. But I've often come across here and thought about you. We're only on a single line now.
The line is split now.
Yeah, so the other side is.
It'll come back together just up here.
So is this a bit of a swamp that we've just been through?
And that's just a little bit.
Yeah. Is there a bigger area of swamp further up?
Yeah, further up. This is the slowest curve between here and between Auckland and Tirapa.
Oh, is that right? Must be pretty foggy through here in winter, is it?
Right.
Must be
Middle of
amazing.
the night you get a good Waikato fog, you can't see 6 feet in front of you.
Yeah.
You're running on the signals, you know.
Yeah.
See the hawk?
Yeah, I did see the hawk. Yeah. Here it is up there. Don't know if you guys can see it, but looking into the swamp. Something. Trying to see if it can get something to eat, eh? Should I be holding it that way or the other way for video on the camera?
If you have a phone, you should be holding
Roger,
it.
John, we've got good brakes back here. You can take them off and you're right to go when you're ready. Roger.
Steam train on the
Releasing
other
brakes
line.
now.
Oh.
So they must have fallen there for some reason.
Maybe because you're all coming through, perhaps?
Maybe they had a problem.
Yeah, driver North Pole Express from the guard.
So when I go
you're good
past, shall I go
with
to the other
yellow
window?
light.
When we go past, shall I go to
Roger
the
that.
window?
Thanks,
I
mate.
can't hear you.
When we go past, shall I go to the other window?
If you want.
Eh?
Yeah, doesn't matter.
It's got decorations on it.
North Pole Express. Must be a standard train.
Heaps of people on there, darling.
Yeah.
Lots of Christmas things going on. The kids,
That's 182.14 signal.
heaps of kiddies and, you know, heaps of fun.
Give us a light. Over.
There you go. That was a fun, wasn't it?
Copy, John, all good to go. Yeah, 2014 signal there. That's going to be 6 going past now. And one coming up behind the B6.
Where are we now?
Worried.
Worry, okay.
Roger that. Thanks, Alan.
See you, Worry.
How you doing?
Is that a crane?
Pardon?
Is that part of a crane in there?
Yeah.
This is the Wirry depot from the other side. We were going, when we went through before I headed on, didn't I?
Yeah.
The metro port over there. All the subbies over there.
B6, is that who you after?
Oh, yeah, B6. B6. Pass the board. Come on in one route. Pick me up on the way.
Roger, pass the boards. Pick you up down there.
Roger.
That's Ben.
Oh yeah.
What are you doing?